Let's try to solve these problems. Multiply the following fractions. So let's start with 1. 2/7 times 3/5. So in multiplying fractions, we simply multiply the numerators over the product of the denominator. So we have 2 times 3, that will be 6, over 7 times 5, 35. So the final answer is 6 over 35. For number 2, we have 4/9 times 3/10. So we can likewise multiply the numerator and then the denominators, but to make sure that the final answer is already in lowest term, we can apply cancellation. So let's factor out the numerator and denominator first for each fraction. So for 4/9, 4 can be factored out as 2 times 2, while 9 can be factored out as 3 times 3. Times, factoring out 3/10. So for 3, as is, no need to factor. For 10, this can be factored as 2 times 5. And then we cancel common factors in the numerator and denominator. So we can cancel out this 2 as well as this 3. So therefore, we are left for the first fraction with 2 over 3 times for the second fraction 1 over 5. So we can now multiply the numerator. So 2 times 1, that's 2, over, multiply the denominators, 3 times 5, that's 15. So the final answer is 2 over 15. For number 3, we have 7/9 times 5. So when we are multiplying a fraction by a whole number, we first make the whole number a fraction by having a denominator of 1. So therefore, we have 7/9 times 5 can be written as a fraction as 5 over 1. And then apply the same rule, multiply the numerators. So 7 times 5, that's 35, over 9 times 1, that's 9. So 35 over 9, or you can transform this into mixed number if you want. Divide the numerator 35 by the denominator 9. 35 divided by 9, that's 3. 3 times 9, 27. 35 minus 27, that will be 8. So therefore, 35 over 9 is also equal to 3 and 8 over 9. Lastly, for number 4, we have 1 3/4 times 2 2/3. So this time, if we are multiplying mixed numbers, we transform them first into improper fractions. So let's transform 1 3/4 first to improper fraction. So multiply 4 times 1, that's 4. Then add the product to the numerator 3. 4 plus 3, that's 7. Then over the same denominator of 4. Times, transforming also 2 2/3 into improper fraction. So multiply 3 times 2, that's 6. Then add 6 to the numerator 2. 6 plus 2, that's 8. Over the same denominator of 3. So applying cancellation, I can factor out this 8 as 4 times 2. So that I can cancel out this 4. Therefore, we are left with 7 over 1 times 2 over 3. So multiplying the numerator, 7 times 2, that's 14, over multiplying the denominators, 1 times 3, that's 3. So we have 14 over 3, or if you want, you can transform into mixed number again. Divide 14 by 3. 14 divided by 3, that's 4. 4 times 3, it's 12. 14 minus 12, that's 2. So 14 over 3 is the same as 4 and 2 over 3. Okay, so now it's your turn. So try to solve this problem and just comment your answers.